Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to record now. Open your phone's recorder app and grant microphone permission. First, pick the app that matches your needs, built-in for simplicity, third-party for features. Once done, test with a 3-5-second clip to confirm levels. This shows why permission and storage matter. Make sure airplane mode or do not disturb is set to avoid interruptions. Record a short test and listen back, because monitoring prevents wasted takes and saves time. Now fine-tune settings so your recording is usable. You should set sample rate and format, 44. 1K HZ MP3 is small and clear, WAV gives maximum fidelity. Next, adjust gain or input volume while watching meters, keep peaks below -6 decibels to avoid clipping. Once levels are set, enable noise reduction if the app has it, because it cleans room hiss without re-recording. Finally, name your file clearly and choose folder location so you can find it later. To finish, stop the recording and save with a descriptive name, export in the format you need. Then put on headphones and proof listen to check clarity, levels, and background noise. Make small edits like trimming or normalizing if required. If something went wrong, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Verify microphone permission and restart the phone. If it still fails, test a different app or an external mic to isolate the issue. These steps get you a reliable, shareable voice file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.